Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to detect AI writing. Let's have a look now. There are a lot of AI detectors. You can use one of them to detect your writing. In this video, I'm going to use GPT-0 as an example. So open your web browser and search for GPT-0. Once you are in the GPT website, you will see this landing page. You can log into your account or you can try an example here. This software only lets you do the first 5000 characters, and if you need more access to that, you can get the paid version. Put in the text you want to scan and it will tell you how much of it is written by AI. You can also upload a file or you can try one of sample text. If you select AI plus human, it will highlight the specific text that written by AI. Here is the result. It is saying that the article is written by AI and human. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.